part 3, I guess, of the repair process of my RCA SCT-520 dual deck cassette recorder. I've got the case put back on around the frame, got it plugged in for testing. And I actually spoke incorrectly earlier about this not having an auto stop function of any kind. It actually has one. Thing around. Actually has one here on the back. I'll demonstrate when I hit rewind. Actually rewind here. It actually detects that there's nothing being rewound and it auto stops it. The stop mechanism seems to be right here, and it rides along the back, which is very uncharacteristic. That's the mechanism, and that engages the stopping. And it does have an auto stop for the playback, and it's the same on both sides, so I'm just demonstrating this one side. If the deck is stopped, this is a strange mechanism, I must say, but it works. Got all the components reconnected to the board, and we'll just finish reassembling it, and it'll be done. Thanks for watching.